Hey guys, this is James with AutOdometer, and today I'm going to be cleaning this 2005 Honda Odyssey. Now, as far as I know, this Honda Odyssey has never been detailed in its entire life, so we're looking at about 14 years of buildup of dirt and grease and grime. You can see it's especially bad here on this armrest here on this door panel. Then you have these floor mats that are pretty dirty as well. You have some just dirt tracking there on the panel as you step inside the driver's side. Also going to clean up the seat part portion of this driver's side seat. You can see again there's more shiny looking armrests. Going to clean up the middle console here. You can see the shine real bad right here. Clean up this middle console. Once we get all that stuff out, you're going to see that it's pretty dirty. And I'm on a time crunch here, trying to detail as much as I can in about 2 to 3 hours. Now that might sound like a long time, but once you start detailing, your time gets really eaten up in certain areas, and you can only do so much. So we're going to start out by removing the floor panels here. And in a separate video, I cleaned these carpet floor mats. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description. So first thing I do whenever I detail, I vacuum up the loose dirt. I am going to be using an all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to spray it on some of these dirtier spots, scrub it with a carpet brush, and then use a water extractor. So I don't want to be grinding in some of the loose particles into the fibers before I do the extraction process. What you can do to really make your entryways to all your door panels look nice is just give some of the plastic parts a good cleaning and scrub them down. You don't have to go too in depth with this. Just take some of your all-purpose cleaner, spray it on the plastic parts, scrub it, and then wipe away the residue with a microfiber towel. You can also do this for some of the door jambs and inside of the small crevices, but I just hit the plastic pieces due to the time constraints. And then here for the driver's side seat, it's a little bit more soiled than the passenger side seat, so I went ahead and hit it with some all-purpose cleaner to be able to hit some of the grease and grime, and then I'm going to scrub it in and then extract it out with my extractor. To be able to pull out some of this grease and grime from the armrest, just a simple procedure is spraying on the all-purpose cleaner, using the scrub brush to really agitate some of the dirt and oils out of the fabric, and then using a microfiber towel to wick away the all-purpose cleaner and the dirt and oils mixed together. And it actually does turn out pretty nice. It takes the shine away. It's not perfect, but it does bring back a lot of life back to the armrest. And when you put your arm there, you're not going to have that greasy, oily feel anymore. Next up, we have the center console here. I'm going to vacuum up some of the loose dirt and particles and things. And then simple procedure of just spraying some of the all-purpose cleaner and then using a microfiber towel to be able to agitate some of the drink spills and then pull it out. And then we come over here to the driver's side, and again I'm going to vacuum up the loose dirt just to be able to have a clear path for the water extractor when I start that process. So once I vacuum up this loose dirt here, we are ready to start spraying on the all-purpose cleaner on the car carpet, and then scrubbing it and then extracting it out. And here I just wanted to show you what the carpet looked like without any of the dirt particles on it right before we do the all-purpose cleaner and the scrubbing. And when it comes to spots like this right to the edge of the seat, normally I would take the seat out, I would unbolt it from the floor of the car and then really pull this stain up, but unfortunately I only had a couple hours and I didn't have time to take the seats out. But we do have a pretty good transformation here of without taking the seats out. And here's what the carpets look like after the water extraction phase. Now, They aren't perfect. I know they're not perfect, but this is about the best they're going to get with the time that I have and not cleaning this car after 14 years. Some of these stains just aren't going to come out. And one of the final pieces of this interior detail here on the front side of the Honda Odyssey, I'm going to be cleaning these cup holders. Just basically using the same all-purpose cleaner with the microfiber towel. Now that method works really well for any of the vinyl pieces or any of the plastic pieces in your car. An all-purpose cleaner with a microfiber towel. Some people like to use detailing brushes, but I find that using a microfiber towel is as good as it gets. And we'll just scan through here what the driver and passenger side looks like after a full deep interior cleaning. And I just used an all-purpose cleaner, and it was super clean degreaser, diluted 5:1 on the seats, on the carpet, on the vinyl, on the plastic pieces, and used a carpet brush to scrub any areas that needed scrubbing on the carpet as well as the door panels. And then I used a relatively cheap water extractor that I purchased for $99 on Amazon to be able to extract some of the deeper stains out. Now if you want to see me cleaning the door panels, that dirty nasty grime that was on the door panel armrests, I have another video. If you want to check that out in the description, that video I just dedicated it to itself just because I feel like it was a separate video in itself, as well as cleaning the removable floor mats. If you guys want to check those videos out, head down into the comments and I will pin a comment linking those videos as well as in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If I earned it, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and if there's anything that I did wrong or if there's anything I can improve, please head down into the comments and let me know. Thanks for watching.